Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Zaxbys.
Why do we have Zaxbys, my love?
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
Wait, no. But it's not any Fast Food Friday. This was a requested.
Oh yes. Who requested it, my love?
Elaine Knight. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
For the Zaxbys, you know? We had to go try it out because you said you want us to do Zaxbys, so we brought it to you.
We brought it to you. I have a chicken finger sandwich.
We, don't get my finger. We have a chicken finger sandwich, not you.
I have a chicken
Go boy, how you have a chicken sandwich? Tell us
finger sandwich, and we have some fries.
Oh, you want it? Okay, cause you know say all right.
And we have some chicken wings.
No, I have some chicken wings.
What kind of chicken wings you have? We mix it up in a
First lady knows something. Forget to mother. I think there's some sweet, spicy, and barbecue.
Yeah, you remember?
Yes.
And then some full.
Some full celeries. I'm gonna see why people go crazy over these. They always dip it. I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it for y'all. One for the team.
Okay, so I am going to ask you for some.
What you need?
Oh, and for the new family members on Fridays, Fast Food Friday, I don't do outfit of the day. It's a chillax day.
It's a chillax.
I would like some
you need?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
You need a Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, man.
You need a Chick-fil-A sauce.
You're probably gonna need this more too.
Alright. Damn, they didn't give us that much. Damn, so by the time I done that, one wing alone can't done that, you know?
They stingy with the sauce.
We got the Chick-fil-A on deck. You know we got the baby raised. We got to keep it that way, you know.
Man, hungry me hungry, you know?
Yeah.
But this one is new. We didn't open this one yet?
The one I never opened yet. Yeah, what, man? Gotta keep it grace, you know? If there's no grace, there's no race. Alright, first lady, you say you're hungry. Make sure your name off the food because you say you're hungry. Look, I got two. Why you open that one?
I know.
Oh.
So, this is my sandwich. That's how it looks.
Oh, nice. What is it again? Fingers?
Chicken finger sandwich. I'm gonna put some
Then
honey mustard. Is there honey mustard in it?
Chick-fil-A.
Oh.
Put the mayonnaise, you know, our daughter told us about mayonnaise and french fries.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A sauce. Tell us, comment down if you have put mayonnaise on your french fries. Our daughter told us about that and we love it. Nice. You know what I'm saying? You know, kids do different stuff, you know? So we said, let's try it. Now we hooked. Want one more package on it? Or are you good?
One more good.
Good? One more? See? We got it all. You see? Chick-fil-A. We go hard. So how y'all doing before we start off? What y'all eating on this Friday? So you know what we eating out here.
It's really good.
Y'all say you gonna get Chick-fil-A now because I saw the sauce? Okay. Why you say you're tired of McDonald's? Don't get that then. They say you're tired of McDonald's. You want me napkin?
I have 2 pieces over here.
What? Wendy's too? My gosh. Then you gotta go to Zaxbys if you have it.
It's good.
It is good. It is good. We got 2 locations. Right next to us. So. Huh?
You hear my stomach?
Your stomach can grow. I still have any of the food. But you hear your stomach.
Family, I was hungry today.
Alright. What you said? She's hungry? What you said? Oh, she's not gonna eat it? Okay, you see? They say you're gonna eat it.
I did not say that. Wow, these fries are long.
Long fried one. It tastes good, that sauce.
It does.
Wow.
Which one was that, honey? The sweet and spicy? Because I don't taste no spicy. What chicken I drop into my sandwich?
I'm just a spicy one on you. Let me know what you're eating. Comment down. Want my beer ready? You know I love to know. Oh, that's why I moved.
Are we going live today?
Of course we're going live today. Of course. And what time are we going live?
6 o'clock?
Okay. Of course we're going live today.
Are we only doing an hour?
Yeah, we're going to get them an hour, but we see. We see how it goes on. Okay?
They voted for it.
Y'all voted for the hour. My youth, I want your belly, my youth. I want the blood, man.
I told you my song was growling. Wait a minute.
Wow. I said, That's pretty much your belly like that.
I'm telling you, that ever happened to you guys? Your belly is growling while you're eating food?
That was loud.
That was loud. It sounded like a duppy.
Wow.
I'm still going. Please stop.
Family, let me hear her belly.
It sounded like they could hear it too.
Wow.
It sounded like you guys can hear my stomach. That's how loud it is.
Wow.
How's the wings?
Good. You want to taste next time? You want to taste that bread? Full. You can't be full. No way.
Not yet.
Oh, wait. I want to know. This is what I know. Family, when you buy your chicken wing, I always wanted to ask this.
Oh, yeah.
What part do you like? The flats or the drumsticks? Because, I mean, I like the flats. What? Are they giving G? Drumstick, them too big. I didn't show y'all. Okay. Here we go. That's the barbecue one. But, you want to try the barbecue without the salt dipping on it? Eat that first.
I like, no.
You want to? Okay. I'm pulling you up.
I like the drum.
Yeah, you drum?
Because it has more of the crunchy stuff.
Huh?
Like it's more crunchy.
That's true.
But the flats are banging.
I don't care for the drum, but I'm gonna eat it.
Excuse me. I wonder, could you have told? You probably could have told them all flats.
Yeah, but.
But we be forgetting. Because we're so focused on making sure that they know we want our wings well done.
Yeah.
Do you guys eat your wings well done?
For real. How do you like it? We like it well done. Even when we say well done, we still come on and put that thing.
You put it in the oven.
We just go back in the oven. With blue cheese.
Have this one.
Try. Nice. That's a good choice.
That's a spicy sweet one.
Let's try.
This one?
Yeah.
They're both just the same. Oh my gosh. Remember last time we had this? And we went there and told them
We want a hot.
we want the nuclear one. And the lady was like, guys, it's hot. We was like, oh yeah, we eat hot stuff. That sucker was hot.
Yeah.
But it wasn't that it was hot. What's the problem? It was like they put so much sauce. It was so much sauce. You couldn't even get to the wing. So you was like fighting through sauce just to get to the wing.
Yeah.
It was just, so it was just too much. It was too much. Next time they need to not put so much sauce.
Yeah. Now you know how we love our food. Boy, I said, nah, hell nah. We left like what, 2 wings? I said, nah, we got. I can't go no more. It was hot. All right, fine. I'm gonna try this now. Try this green thing. And people go like this. This is what I like to hear when they do it. The crunch. Oh, you know, exactly. Your daughter loved this. Not my type of tea.
You see how you fling it?
Yeah, I don't mind style by style. There's a lot of celery lovers out there. Where the celery lovers at?
But
Calm me down.
people eat it with peanut butter too. Celery and peanut butter.
You're gone too far now, big. I'm my type of.
I'm not a fan of celery. I don't like it in soup. I don't like it in.
I don't like it in Chinese food either.
I don't like it in nothing.
When they give me Chinese food sometimes, I just eat it, but I don't like it. I put it right sometimes.
From Pandora.
Pandora. From Panda.
Yeah, Panda. Pandora. Because regular Chinese food, they don't use that.
Wow.
Yeah, when you go to a place and you're hungry, you won't order the whole story. Because family, I was gonna order something else. Richie was like, "You're not gonna finish your food. You're gonna order more food." And look at this, I'm already full.
Birthday. Finish watching your mouth. Take a break real quick. I gotta transform real quick. Take a break, yeah. Pastor Rich in the building right now. Intermission. Yeah, intermission time now. What I got for y'all lovely people today. Pastor Rich section now. Success has always been easy to measure. It's the distance between one's origin and one final achievement.
Ooh.
Put it in your own word. You know what I'm saying? Think about that. Now we're back to the foodies.
I hope you enjoyed your break.
Oh, yes. Right now, my chicken, I'm gone. Full.
Honey, that's because I waited too long to eat. That's why.
You're probably like.
For real.
Never even one little burger again.
I was hungry.
You're doing good. I like the sweetness.
But that happens though. When you're really hungry and you're gonna go eat.
Yeah.
You can't eat again. It's like the gas or something.
So what we got going on 6 o'clock? Where are they?
I don't know. I don't know. If you guys love family food. Or maybe it should be called greedy food.
What is it? Greedy food or family food?
We're gonna play that towards the end. Come with a topic.
Yeah. We see where it goes from there, family. You know what I'm saying? Family. We say this all the time. I'm gonna see if I'm up. We appreciate all of y'all. And they said, oh my gosh. I appreciate you too, greedy couple. But we really do.
Yes, we do.
Everybody. It's so nice. I mean, First Lady. Again, family. I don't have a page. I just help First Lady out with the comments, okay? So you don't gotta subscribe. I got 8 subscribers. That's a lot. Thanks. But I don't need to subscribe. That's just to help First Lady out, you know? Because First Lady can't get to everything, you know? So I'm trying to help her out. And I like to interact with y'all too. So if you see Richie the Greedy Couple, don't subscribe. You don't have to, but I appreciate them. I don't have a channel. But, yeah. But we do appreciate every single one of y'all. It's so nice when we come home and we see those comments. We just look at them and smile like, wow.
Yeah.
We really have a strong fan base, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Great supporters.
Great supporters. The other day, a subscriber said, hi, I love your channel. Your vibe is so nice. Do you have any kids? And Shauna K. Edward said, yes, they do. They got 2. a boy and a girl. One name is Tamia, one name is Vincent. And Tamia look just like her mom. Look like me too, Shauna K. So stop going so. But yeah, see that? Appreciate family members like that. You know what I'm saying? That means you really mess with us, you know?
I mean, you pay attention.
Yeah. We have a lot of y'all like that. But
a lot of you guys.
when first they just tell me that and I seen it, and then you know what I mean, we comment back, we're like, wow.
Yeah.
They really know even the name, the right spelling and everything. So big up yourself, Shauna K.
Come on.
I really appreciate y'all. Everything.
That was very, very nice because it melts our heart.
Right, First Lady?
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
It melts our heart that you guys know our kid's name and everything, you know?
Touch me, no?
Come on, touch me too.
Touch me, man. Touch me right in my chest. Nah, like. But yeah, we do. We come on here, you know? Trying to give you a good content, you know? We trying to eat different stuff.
Different stuff.
So
stuff that we like.
What we like, you know?
That we eat, even if the cameras wasn't on.
Yeah, sometimes what we really eat in real life. But again, we have some suggestions from y'all.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna fulfill that.
But so far, honey, the suggestions them have been great.
Excellent, yeah.
Zaxbys.
We did
the other day a turkey leg.
With the potatoes.
The potatoes.
And then the fried chicken with the rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Yo, you can cook it up.
Man, sometime, man, stop watching someone. But you know, if you tell us to make something, get this type of food. If it's around that area, we will get it.
Yeah.
But if it's not, we can't get it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we open for suggestions.
Because we have a lot of restaurants, my love.
We do. As long as it's not pork.
Well, it's pork for me.
First Lady for pork.
So because you don't eat the pork, I can't get the pork.
They can't get it, but put it by your side. I'm put it by my side. But yeah, but we do. And we're gonna keep saying it. Keep riding with us, man. We have a lot of good stuff coming.
A lot of good stuff.
A lot of stuff in the making. We keep saying that, but y'all see.
Yeah.
We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. But this one, my daughter had her food. They had their food already, but she wanted to taste my wing. I'm gonna taste it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You read this far, at least subscribe. Come on now.
That's true, honey.
Come on now. You want to hear all our business. And come watch us eat, so subscribe. And then you hear more.
For real.
Yeah. We are the greedy couple. And they are what, First Lady?
And you guys are the greedy family.
Okay, your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.